Hey everyone! So, are you ready for some political drama? Because things are heating up in Zimbabwe as we head towards the August summit. Let's dive into the fiery political showdown between Nelson Chamisa and President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Now, if you've been following Zimbabwean politics, you know that Chamisa is not just a politician. He's a beacon of hope for many who desire change. On the other hand, Mnangagwa, who stepped into power after Mugabe, has been a controversial figure to say the least. So what's the buzz? Well, Chamisa has hinted at some explosive revelations about Mnangagwa that he plans to unveil at the upcoming summit. What could these revelations be? Corruption? Mismanagement? Or something entirely unexpected? The tension is palpable, folks. Chamisa's promise to expose secrets could either be a game changer for his career or a risky move. It's like a high-stakes poker game, and the whole nation is watching. Will he go all in? And more importantly, how will Mnangagwa respond? This isn't just about two men battling for power, it's about the future of Zimbabwe. It's about transparency, accountability, and the fight against corruption. The outcome of this showdown could reshape the political landscape of the country. So what do you think? Will Chamisa's revelations shake the foundations of Mnangagwa's presidency, or will it be dismissed as mere political theatrics? The answers are awaited with bated breath. Make sure to keep an eye on this story, because whatever happens, it's going to be monumental. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video where we uncover more about this intriguing political saga. Stay curious.